and welcome to day 23. Today we are making Norwegian butter cookies. These cookies are traditionally served at Christmas time in Norway. They are simple, quick and easy to make and delicious. Welcome to today's video and let's see what you are working with. This is what you are working with today. Flour, icing sugar, baking powder, salt and one vanilla bean that I have scraped. That's the alternative that the recipe is giving if you don't have vanilla sugar. I have butter and an egg. So we're going to mix our dry ingredients. That's the flour, the powdered sugar, the vanilla, the baking soda and the salt. Baking powder, not baking soda. So we mix this. I got this recipe from our website. I've not told you when I started, but I'll put a link in the description so you can go and check it out. Once that is done, you're still continuing. We're going to add the butter. Then we are going to crumble the mixture with our hands or a stand mixer. I'll use my hands. Don't want to wash a lot of utensils. So I'm going to beat the egg. Then I add it into our flour mixture.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply.
We're going to refrigerate our dough for 1 hour.
Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria.
So see you after 1 hour.
Gloria in excelsis Deo. Come to Bethlehem.
We are back. I have some almonds and egg white. It's for brushing on top. So we're going to cut the dough into small balls like that. Then we place them there. Once you're done making the balls, you're supposed to flatten it with the bottom of a glass or a fork. I use a fork. I think a fork will give a nice pattern on top, eh? Oh no, it's getting stuck. I have pressed it a lot. Yes, like that. And then when we are done, we brush on top with the egg white and then we'll sprinkle the